My Woodhaven neighbors, there are a couple of things happening in our neighborhood that you will want to know about. First off, have you tried Taqueria de Diaz? It's next door to Honey Ham, and it's amazing. These are authentic, real Mexican tacos, and they are so good. If you haven't tried that place yet, hurry up. You must have it. Now let's get to real estate. A lot of things happen in August and July, and I wanted to tell you what's going on in the real estate market in our neighborhood, the sales that are taking place, the market activity, the buyer activity. And it's important because keeping an eye on the sales in our neighborhood gives you an idea of what your home is worth in today's market in Woodhaven. Let's get started. The property on Rose Finch sold back in July 9th, and it's 3303 Rose Finch Trail, right on my street. Let me show you some pictures. So this house sold for $1,362,500. It has a pool. It's been recently updated. It looks really good. And because it's such a beautiful house, it's sold in just 3 days, which is amazing. So this house was built in 1980, I believe. Let's look at all the details here. Yeah, so this house was sold for 1.36 million, built in 1980. Price per square foot is 570, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. And the square footage is 2,390 square feet. All right, so the house on Sanderling, 3303 Sanderling Trail, that was listed for $899,000 is now under contract. It hasn't closed yet, but let me remind you how this house looks like so you get an idea. It's right there behind Hill Country Middle School. You probably recognize this house as you drive into the neighborhood from Walsh Tarleton. Here it is, and the backyard is looking at the Hill Country Middle School. The good news, that house is under contract now. Also built in 1980, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's been sitting on the market for quite a while, a little over 2.5 months. The next house that went under contract, it's on Pinnacle Road, 3509 Pinnacle Road. Let me show you the pictures. Here it is. So that's the pictures. Whenever you don't see the pictures of the interior, this house is ultimately selling for the lot value, and it looks like they already have construction plans for this house. So this house was listed at $1.3 million, and it's now under contract. And let's see, well, it's been on the market for just 9 days. All right, so the next time I do the market update, I will tell you how much it actually sold for. And the last house that is under contract is 3622 Peregrine Falcon Drive.
Active under contract is 3622 Peregrine Falcon Drive. Let's look at the pictures. It was listed at $1.25 million. So built in 1979, 4 beds, 2 baths, and sold in 17 days.
So let's look at the average price per square foot for these houses built in 1979, 78, 1980. So it looks like on average, the price per square foot is $656. Now, what is active actively on sale in our neighborhood? What's currently active on the market? 3607 Ripple Creek Drive. This is listed, or it's off the market right now, privately listed as a private exclusive, coming soon. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms at $3.1 million. Let's look at the pictures. All right. The pictures looks like original floors. Look at that beautiful tile. Right. So this means coming soon. It means that it's about to come to MLS, multiple listing system, I guess. It's coming on the market soon at 3.1 million, built in 1978. Looks like 4,621 square feet. What's actively on the market right now? 3601 Peregrine Falcon. This one is listed privately at $1.3 million, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Now, they've been trying to sell this house for a while, since 2025, it looks like. But let's look at the pictures. Right. Now, this house, it's a brand new construction on Dusky Thrush, 1304 Dusky Thrush Trail. It's a brand new construction, a beautiful, gorgeous house, 5,253 square feet with the pool, 5 beds, 6 baths. Beautiful, beautiful house. Here it is. And then there are 2 houses also on Dusky Thrush that are for sale by owner. It's 1307 Dusky Thrush, listed at 1.2 million. And then right next door to it is 1305 Dusky Thrush, listed at $1.43 million. And here you have it, the real estate market update for our neighborhood, Woodhaven, for the last couple of months, over the summer, ultimately June, July, August of 2020. Now remember, this report gives you a big picture. What is happening in our neighborhood, and your house is unique. And if you're interested in what your home is worth, please reach out. I'm more than happy to put together an individualized report for you. And then I'm also doing something quite different. Once a month, I'm hosting a luxury open house. And at the end of that open house, we do a meditation circle. And it's a great opportunity for you to come and look at the beautiful houses in our neighborhood, meet your neighbors, but also de-stress. Just have a couple of minutes for yourself to ground down, get still, and leave feeling energized, connected, and as a best version of yourself. So our next event, the meditation circle and the open house, will take place on September 24th. If you are on my list, I usually will send an email out, or I'll send you a text message. If you're interested in joining our monthly open house and meditation circle, please reach out. I'm Albina Rippy with the Council Real Estate Group, and I am your local Woodhaven realtor and your neighbor.